Hi, I'm Jodi Rose. I'm an artist, art therapist, author, and yoga teacher, and I help people see in the dark. Come, let's take a look. I wanted to share how I explore the darkness theme as a visual artist. My body of work follows the narrative of a girl in the woods, a girl who lived on a nest on the tallest of treetops, which one day was blown down in a great storm. The girl awakens to a dark, unfamiliar forest. She's used to a view of the sky and the treetops, and now she's exposed to an environment that she's never seen or experienced before. As she wanders the woods, she interacts with various forest creatures who impart wisdom teachings that inform her personal growth. I create sculptures of the girl at various stages of her journey, and I create the forest creatures as well. The story can be seen as a direct metaphor for trauma or loss, but ultimately it's a story about darkness, a story about overcoming fear, worry, grief, uncertainty, and the challenges faced when life places us at a crossroads or just plain pulls the rug out from beneath us. I've had a profound understanding of the darkness since I was a little girl. I even wrote about it in high school. Culturally, we tend to look away from it because it can feel extremely frightening or, at the very least, uncomfortable. I have always known that working with the darkness is key to living life with purpose and to one's full potential. As an art therapist and yoga teacher, I guide people into the darkness so that they can overcome their interior obstacles and live with more joy and fulfillment. Creativity and yoga are my two primary tools. For over a decade, I've used these to help people explore the darkness for personal growth and deep healing work like overcoming trauma, addiction, or eating disorder. I also guide entrepreneurs and community leaders in trainings for team building, business planning, and resiliency. My clients experience growth because they open to the darkness with purpose and possibility in their time of need. I just give them the tools to help them see. Today, I live my life with one foot in a hiking boot and one in a high heel. My work is now shared to a broad audience through speaking, live and online workshops, retreats, yoga classes, and art therapy life coaching. I've published 2 books and a deck of art therapy journal prompt cards. Ultimately, my artwork is intended to help people to be curious about the darkness. I want it to touch viewers and to inspire their own self-reflection. My books, courses, and coaching programs offer a light-hearted but powerfully effective approach to self-discovery. So there you have it. I'm Jodi Rose. I am the girl in the woods, and I'm here to help you see in the dark.